You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, which I believe is the longest name in Irish, or at least the name of the longest name of a place in Ireland. If you want to learn more Irish, make sure to stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Muckanaghederdauhaulia is, I believe, somewhat how it's pronounced. It's going to vary depending who pronounces it. In Ireland, there are different pronunciations and variants in Ireland. Muckanaghederdauhaulia. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.